In this video, we're going to be mounting a BGA component to the circuit board using the Tack Flux method. We have installed a 35mm BGA component onto the upper nest here, and we're going to use a 41mm nozzle on the top, and I have a 55mm nozzle on the bottom. We select our mount sequence. We're ready to start. We'll just press start. We need to turn on our main camera. I'm going to confirm that we're out to the nest position. Main camera here. Okay, so it picks up our component from the nest. We can see our component here on the screen. We can straighten out our nozzle. Okay. Our nozzle's in place, and now we're going to line the component to the PCB. So I can turn off the top light, turn on the bottom light. You can see our circuit board here. If we want, we can zoom in a little bit more. And just to give you an idea of the zoom capabilities, I'm going to zoom all the way out. And then we can zoom all the way in. So we're just going to zoom out so we can see the entire component. Adjust our lighting to where we're comfortable for the circuit board, and we'll bring our component lighting up. So what we're doing is looking at the component and at the circuit board at the same time. We have micrometer adjust here for left, right, and forward, backward. I'm just going to bring the solder balls in line with the component. Right now I have my solder ball here, and I'm going to just go all the way down and make sure that we're lined up and the component is horizontally correct. Now once I get it pretty close to where I want it, I'm going to zoom in further. Move this over here a little bit. I want to make sure that my component is focused. Move down all the pads. We'll bring our upper component, or our upper quarter here into the center of the monitor. Like I said, we just do the check. Make sure that our corners are aligned, and that looks good. Move all the way to the other side. And just make sure again that the horizontal, or the theta is not off. I want to adjust my theta. I can rotate it a bit. Readjust. We'll go back to the other side and just double check. Once I'm comfortable with the solder balls are straight all the way across, I'll go back to the center and then I'll line the solder balls one more time. We'll check alignment here. So I'm comfortable with that. I'm going to switch to our side view camera. Once the side view camera kicks in, I'm going to go ahead and allow the machine to place the component on our side view camera light. We're going to watch the component come down and make sure that it places onto the solder balls. If we place the component, it's going to back up around 2 millimeters to allow some space between the pickup tube and the component. And now it's going to run the profile that we've set up for it. Okay, we're approaching reflow stage. You can see that the solder is starting to melt. When it's starting to heat up across and compress. Looks like we have a full compression now, so we'll allow it about 30 more seconds, and that should end the profile. Profile's ended, and it's going to automatically go into a cool down mode. And that's how we install a BGA component using the ZM-R730A BGA Rework Station.